The Republicans stole 2 seats on the Supreme Court, and now it is up to us to repair that damage.
Some people will say we're packing the court. We're not packing it, we're unpacking it. Senator McConnell and the Republicans packed the court. There's nothing new about changing the size of the Supreme Court. The Constitution leaves the number of justices up to Congress, and Congress has changed that number 7 times in the history of the country.
It is simply a fact that Republican presidential candidates have lost the popular vote in 7 of the last 8 presidential elections. Yet only 4 of the last 19 Supreme Court justices have been appointed by Democratic presidents.
Expanding the court is constitutional. Congress has done it before, and Congress must do it again.
9 justices may have made sense in the 19th century, when there were only 9 circuits. But the logic behind having only 9 justices is much weaker today, when there are 13 circuit courts, thousands of cases filed before the court each year, and the full range of statutes and regulations that make our economy and our society work.
The court is broken. And make no mistake about it, the court is broken because Leader Mitch McConnell, his Senate Republican colleagues, and Donald Trump broke it.
And the fact is, if we want to save our democracy, we must act before it is too late by restoring balance to the Supreme Court. The far right did whatever it could to capture the court. They invented a non-existent rule to hold open Merrick Garland's seat for 14 months before confirming Neil Gorsuch. And they violated their own rule just 4 years later to confirm Amy Coney Barrett while an election was already underway. Votes were already being tabulated.
And the way we repair it is straightforward. We undo the damage that the Republicans have done by restoring balance. And we do it by adding 4 seats to the court to create a 13-member Supreme Court.
Come back to me with recommendations as to how to reform the court system, because it's getting out of whack.
The words etched above the main entrance of the Supreme Court building behind us express the ultimate responsibility of the court: equal justice under the law. But how will there be equal justice when seats on the court have been stolen? How will there be equal justice when Republicans have purposefully warped and weaponized the highest court of the land for their own partisan gain?